Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quick fix how to uninstall updates of installed Android apps. Before we start, I made this video for you who are got trouble. You have a problem with one of your application, like if you are install the newer version, the latest version of your application, but the application got trouble because your phone does not support the updates. You can uninstall the updates. So let's get started. For example, one of the application that have a routine schedule of the updates is the Chrome. You can tap Chrome here, or let's get back, you can hold this and tap this application info. It depends on your devices. You can tap the three stripe or a three dots or two dots here. In my phone, in my device, is there is a two dots. You can tap this uninstall updates. You can tap it. So the Chrome will be warning you, replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. This affect all user of this device, including those with work profile. So make sure you back up your data first before uninstall or before you downgrade into the old version, in the factory version. After that, you can tap OK to uninstall the latest version. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.